Hey guys, in this course we will see Java 8 and its features by coding example. So let me show you quickly what I'm going to cover in this course. So first we will start our course with the Java 8 starters, how we call those, like lambda expressions and then method references, constructor references, what is functional interfaces, and there are new method in the interfaces like default and static methods. So we will cover those also. Then we will move towards the Java.UTIL.function package which got introduced in Java 8. So it has some functional interface like consumer, supplier, predicate, and functions. So we will cover each of them and by examples and by doing codes. So next we will discuss the stream API, and in the stream API we will discuss that the stream creation part, what are box stream, and how we can perform the reduction operation in the stream. Then if you want to sort any stream, then the sorting operation. And suppose the streams you want to perform some debugging, then debugging the streams. And also you can perform the find, count, convert, concatenate elements operations like in the stream. So all of these we are going to discuss in this course. Next we will see the comparator and the collection classes which got changed in the Java 8, and like the sorting operation in Java, a sorting technique got changed. So earlier we used to implement comparator or comparable for sorting operation, but Java 8 provide lambdas and collection classes, and comparators now has some static methods which provide sorting operation easily. Then we will see the conversions in the collections. Then we will see the partitioning and grouping facility which is provided by Java 8 in collections, and we will also see how we can create the immutable collection classes. And lastly, in this segment we will discuss the collector interface. Next we will discuss the issues related with streams, lambdas, and methods. Let's suppose we are using these facility and we will face some issues, then we will discuss those issues in this section of the course. Next, we will discuss the optional class here. What is the usage of optional class, how you can create the optional class, and how you can get the value from that optional class, and how the getter and setter will be used in the optional class and optional mapping things. Later, we will discuss the file input output operation, which is introduced in Java 8, like file processing to retrieve a file of a system and searching the files also. All right, so these are some of features, and next feature is like Java.time package, which is newly introduced, like local date time. So we see the date time creation things and date conversions, and we will see the parsing and formatting of dates, which will be which is useful in our daily projects. Next, we will see some of the concurrency operations in Java 8, like parallel stream versus sequential stream, and where we can use the parallel streams. Then we will see the future interface, then completable future interfaces. And in the last of this video tutorials, like I will post some of the interview questions related with each of the segment of this course, which will help experienced or freshers to clear the interviews, guys. So this is it for this video series, and this is the plan which I made for this video series. Hope you like, and if you feel that something need to be added in this series, you guys can comment in the comment section and let me know. I will definitely add for you. So thank you.